Okay, let's review Standard 15A before we go over the question that was tied to 15A in the exam for Unit 2. 15A states, I can locate places and regions of historical significance directly related to major eras and turning points in world history. So basically for this unit, for Unit 2, you need to know where ancient Greece is located. So looking at this map, here's ancient Greece, and then ancient Rome, where ancient Rome was located. Okay, so you're looking at geographical maps here of where both civilizations emerged and developed. So ancient Greece is right here, and then ancient Rome is right here. So ancient Rome took up northern Africa and then parts of Europe and a little bit of Southwest Asia. And then you have ancient Greece, which is basically going to be all of these areas right here and right here. So let's look at the question that's tied to it. Question 8 was tied to 15A on the exam. And basically you have this map here, and it says what empire is represented by the region shown in the map above? Was it A, Rome, B, Greece, C, Mesopotamia, and D, Egypt? The correct answer here is going to be A, Rome, because you have Africa here, Northern Africa, Southwest Asia, and parts of Europe here. So ancient Rome is the correct answer. Greece, Mesopotamia, and Egypt were in different locations. This is showing you where Rome conquered and developed.